Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to make two-person cameos on Snapchat. Follow these easy steps to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And now go to your profile. Here, scroll down and here you will find cameos option. So all you have to need, first of all, create your cameo selfie. Once you've created, enable friend cameos option here. Once done, now go back to your Snapchat home screen and open chat. Now open our conversation and tap on the sticker icon. Here select cameos, and here as you can see, my and my friend cameos showing in single cameos. Now I can easily send two-person cameos to this conversation or chat. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.